Okay, I have got from Amina. I think Amina's I have checked. Humaira Kazi I have checked. Abdullah Patel I have checked. Ibrahim also I have checked. Yahya I have not checked. Munib, it's not opening, I have written. So let me see if it's opening or not.
Ma'am, you are not open. Ma'am, it is not opening.
No, it's not opening.
Ma'am, you will have to sign in for DocHub first, ma'am.
So why don't you send it in this Doc Hub? I don't have this Doc Hub.
Ma'am,
You
you
should
will have
know.
to sign in from your Gmail, then only it will be available.
I don't know this, na. You just click picture how others are submitting. Same way you submit, Munib.
Why
नया
are you
काम नहीं
submitting from Doc Hub? Send from camera or Google Classroom's camera is
You
also
can
so
send it
nice.
directly from camera only, na.
Or Google
हाँ
Classroom.
okay Munib, just take help from your friends
Like
and
to be
see
a new
what
artist.
they are.
Doc Hub.
Ma'am, because I did not do it in notebook, ma'am. I did typing only because you gave one sheet, no, after that question wala sheet.
So it's okay. Typing one also you can
Typing
edit
one also
and
you can take photo and send it to you.
See
You can
how
take a
Rushda did it
screenshot
in
and send.
Docs.
You can send you can take a
I
screenshot
think
and send.
Rishta has done it on this only, typing only, na? Yeah, Rishta, no. Rishta has not done. Then why you have turned in?
She's just returned the
I
worksheet,
did it,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But
I
it's
did it,
not
ma'am.
showing. See, it's not showing.
मेरे लिए
Okay.
फ्रूटी लाना
And there is one more page. Ma'am, there is one more page.
No. Only one page is there. Only this page is there. Only one page is there. So just check Rashda, what is happening. Why I'm not getting your this thing. Umaira already checked. Amina checked. Ibrahim also, I think I have checked.
I think I forgot to save it.
Yes, I think you have not saved it. That's why Ibrahim. Okay, I need to check, I think. Ibrahim, I'll let you know, okay, if there is any mistake. I think we have discussed it in the class also. So if you go through it, you'll be able to do.
Ma'am, check the second attachment because first one is that only which you gave.
Okay. Yeah, I
Check the
know.
second attachment.
Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am,
Everyone?
we can see the slide.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, now it is showing loaded. Yeah, now we can see.
Okay, so we did this in last class. Substances can be soluble, a solute can be soluble in a solvent, insoluble in a solvent. Soluble means it dissolves in water or any solvent. Insoluble means it does not dissolve. So examples also we have done: sugar, which is a soluble solute, and sand is insoluble, means which does not dissolve. Miscible and immiscible. You remember yesterday I told you miscible
Yes, ma'am.
comes
And when
when
two liquids get dissolved.
When two
yes,
liquid
they are
miscible is when two liquids mix in
Ma'am,
together and
miscible.
syrup and soda. Strawberry syrup and soda.
So when the liquids do not dissolve in or do not get mixed in each other, it is immiscible. And when they get mixed with each other, they dissolve in one another, it is called as miscible. So water and alcohol, example of miscible liquids, and immiscible, you can say water and oil are immiscible. Okay? So you should know the
Ma'am,
examples of
there is only one example of immiscible.
immiscible liquids. Find out, do some research work and find out some examples of immiscible liquids.
Ma'am,
Okay,
petrol and diesel are example of miscible, as Anas
yes, they are
said.
miscible. Yeah, they are miscible liquids. Okay, now coming to
and
solubility.
water is immiscible.
Petrol and water is, petrol is oil, na? Petrol is oil
Yes, ma'am.
only.
It miscible only. It is miscible.
Petrol and water is immiscible.
Immiscible.
Okay, now coming to solubility, this also we did in the previous class. Solubility can be unsaturated, solution can be unsaturated or saturated. We have not done this super saturated, so no need to do. You should know that the solution can be unsaturated solution and saturated solution. Remember what we did yesterday? Unsaturated means more solute can dissolve, and saturated solution means no more solute can dissolve. Remember, I gave you one example. If you keep on adding sugar in water, at some point the sugar stops dissolving, and then it is called as saturated solution, when no more solute can be dissolved. And when you can keep on adding it, then it is unsaturated. When you keep on adding sugar and it dissolves, that means it is unsaturated solution. Okay, so what is the difference between unsaturated and saturated?
Ma'am,
In
unsaturated can dissolve more, and in saturated,
correct.
no more sugar can dissolve.
Yeah, so in saturated solution you have maximum amount of solute in it, right? Because after that it will not dissolve. And in unsaturated solution, there is vacancy to add more solute. Yeah, Abdullah.
Today we will learn super saturated solution.
No. Supersaturated is not in your syllabus. So you can say an unsaturated solution has less than maximum amount of solute, right? And saturated solution has maximum amount of solute, because
Ma'am,
after
we have to
that,
write.
no, writing part I'll give you. So now then what did I tell? When you increase in a saturated solution, when you heat a saturated solution and when you add some more sugar in it, will it
It will-
dissolve or not?
Yes. It will dissolve.
So that means it becomes unsaturated on heating, right? So
Ma'am,
you
what
can
was your
say
question?
So ma'am, that means that is a physical change that it becomes saturated then.
no, it is not a physical change. Change is not taking place over here, because phase change is not taking place over here. We are just making a mixture. Okay, you have a sugar solution, right? A saturated sugar solution, right, Amina? When you cannot add more sugar, because it will not dissolve. So it is a saturated sugar solution. Now when you heat that saturated solution and when you add more sugar in it, will it dissolve? Because
Yes, it
room
will.
temperature
Yes,
it
ma'am.
was not dissolved. So
It
it
will.
will dissolve. Why? Because we are heating it. So by heating, the solubility of the solute increases. By heating, solubility of a solute increases, and the solution which was unsaturated at room temperature has become, which was saturated at room temperature will become unsaturated when you heat it. Do you understand
Ma'am.
what did I say?
Yes,
What
ma'am,
did I
I understood. Ma'am, you
See-
said that when we put on heat, then it can
See,
be
what is
unsaturated.
saturated solution at room temperature? Suppose you got a saturated solution where we cannot add more solute in it, okay, to dissolve. So when you heat this saturated solution, you are able to add more solute, and then it becomes unsaturated because the sugar is getting dissolved now on heating, right? So by
Yes.
heating, the solubility increases, and you can say the solubility of solid increases, and the unsaturated and the solution becomes unsaturated. Okay, so you can write now this solutions can be classified as saturated and unsaturated. What is saturated and what is unsaturated? So you have to mention temperature, because when temperature is same, then you can mention saturated, unsaturated.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question.
When you increase the temperature, the solution becomes unsaturated. Yeah. Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I last time also asked, but ma'am, when we use powdered sugar, so we use much and then it becomes a saturated solution. Then we can use the process of heating. Then also it will dissolve, right?
It's
And it
also
will
the
become
same thing. Yes.
unsaturated, right?
Difference is, last time also I told, when you are powdering something, the dissolving, the rate of dissolving increases. Means you can easily dissolve something when you powder something. Okay? Because the minute powder, it get dissolved easily as compared to bigger crystals of sugar. If you take bigger sugar crystal, it takes time to dissolve in water, whereas if you take powdered sugar, it dissolves in a smaller time. Okay? So that is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
difference.
But if we put a lot sugar,
Or
like
then
a
also
lot
it,
more powdered,
then it will become saturated at certain point.
and then we
Okay?
can use the process of heating to make it saturated
Correct.
again.
Yeah, same. Yes.
Yeah.
To
Okay,
make
ma'am.
it,
Thank you.
yes, to make it
Unsaturated.
saturated again, you have to add more sugar. It becomes
No, ma'am.
unsaturated on heating.
When
So
we
you have
when
Ma'am,
we do
last class I have
heating,
written
then we
about
can make
saturated and
unsaturated.
unsaturated.
by heating, you make it unsaturated, correct? Because you can add more sugar to dissolve. Okay. Okay, write down
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Solutions can be,
Ma'am,
everyone write down this.
ma'am, can you underline, ma'am?
Yeah, Amina,
Last class I have written about
you have to
saturated and
write.
unsaturated.
Solutions can be classified as saturated or unsaturated. Now, what is saturated? Underline, this is a definition of saturated solution. This is definition of unsaturated. Okay, this you can write in bold. Cannot dissolve more solute. This is important. In saturated solution, you cannot add dissolve more solute. In
We have not
unsaturated,
written about saturated and unsaturated.
written though, it is written over here.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, in the notebook we have not written, ma'am.
That's why I'm giving you today. Yesterday I explained
Yes,
you.
Amina was saying that's why, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday we just studied about
Ma'am,
it.
what are we supposed to write?
Anas, you're supposed to write everything, Rashta. Solutions can be classified, means solution can be two types, saturated, unsaturated, and then what is saturated and what is unsaturated. Anas, why are you sitting in dark, or why your camera is off? What happened, Anas? You want to sit in the waiting room, Anas?
I think his internet is bad.
He's not there because he cannot hear me also.
I mean, last class also his internet was very bad. He was leaving and coming again and again.
Acha, it was like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Tell him to go through the recording part and understand what we are doing today.
Okay, ma'am.
Munib, send me your homework. Click picture and then send me. You can click.
Yes,
You
ma'am,
can
I am
scan.
sending. I will send you after the class.
No problem. You have enough time. Today is the last day before the break, so.
Ma'am, for my combustion worksheet, I forgot how to. I forgot to save it. So do I have to do it again?
Yes, you will have to do. I have not checked it. No? So if you do some mistake, how you're writing the answer, I would have to see that. See, it is better to write in the notebook. Write down the answers, Rashta, because finally in the exam you're going to write. Okay, so make it a practice of writing the answers in the
I've
notebook.
written it.
All of you have completed this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I am saturated only.
You know, this is a beaker, because you have a beak in it. You can see this is used in chemistry lab, beaker.
Ma'am, the homework I am sending you, that is why my video is off, ma'am.
Okay, have you completed writing this, Munib?
Yes, ma'am.
Anas, are you there?
I'm done.
Okay, everyone has completed. Yeah, Anas.
No, ma'am.
Did you hear what did we study just before it? Saturated and unsaturated. Anas, you were there? Okay. Have you written this? Have you written? Yes or no? Not
No,
written.
ma'am, we are writing.
Okay. After completing, just tell me, everyone. Huh? Completed, Rashda?
Ma'am,
ma'am.
last class I had not
I'm on
drawn
the
the.
third paragraph.
Ma'am, last class I had not drawn the diagrams for the sedimentation and decantation, so I drew them later.
You can draw it later. Sedimentation diagram is important. It can be asked in exam. Sedimentation, decantation, filtration. The diagrams are important.
Ma'am,
And
drawn it later.
Nice. Yeah, beautiful diagram.
Ma'am,
See,
I
if you
just
make-
turned in. Ma'am, can you see if you got?
Let me see. I'll check it later. क्योंकि फिर इसमें let others write also. I'll check it later, Muniba. I'll let you know. Okay, all of you have completed this?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So temperature is important because if you increase the temperature, solubility of the solute increases and you can add more solute in it. So it becomes unsaturated. A saturated solution becomes unsaturated when it is heated. Who all are writing? Rashda and Anas, and rest everyone has completed. Okay. Where are you writing, Rashda? The last one?
Yeah.
Okay, completed.
Ma'am, done writing.
Okay. Okay, now coming to this one, we have done that when heavier component is there, we do this thing, sedimentation and decantation. Okay. There are some questions I would be asking you. Most of the substances we see, these are MCQ. Okay. So most of the substances we see around us are what? What option? Just go through the option. Yeah.
Impure
Pure
element.
pure compounds, impure elements,
Pure
or
compound,
mixtures.
impure element, mixtures, ma'am.
It is mixtures because pure
Yes, ma'am,
elements
mixture.
are few in number. So answer is mixture. A solution of salt in water is a compound, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, element.
Homogeneous mixture.
Yeah, Muni?
Homogeneous mixture.
Homogeneous mixture in which you cannot see the suspended particles. It
Ma'am,
dissolves
I did
completely.
not get the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous, ma'am.
Homogeneous, I have explained you so many times.
It's
Homogeneous
same
means,
as soluble and insoluble.
you can think about that also. Heterogeneous means when the
element and compound, or element and compound, difference between element and compound.
Element is a pure element is consists of same type of atom like aluminium, hydrogen, oxygen. These are same type of atoms. But compound is when two elements or more elements combine chemically to form compound, like hydrogen and oxygen, they combine chemically to form water. So water is a compound. Water is a compound, but
Carbon
hydrogen,
dioxide also, ma'am. Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. So carbon is an element, oxygen is an element, but carbon and oxygen together chemically combine to form carbon dioxide, which is a
Ma'am,
compound.
but how then it can be pure? It should be a mixture now, because
No, it's not a mixture. Mixture is, see, you remember the definition of mixture. Mixture is when we mix something physically,
Ma'am?
by physical means.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
okay, ma'am, understood.
Yes, yeah. But
Ma'am, can you tell the second question? My network was not
it
right.
is here second question. See, a solution of salt in water is
Then
a
we have to
compound.
write these questions, ma'am.
No, don't write this, just for practice question. Later on, you can have
So
revision.
so what's the answer? Heterogeneous or homogeneous?
Homogeneous. Whenever something dissolves completely and you cannot see the solute, it is homogeneous. When you can see the solute, means it is insoluble, then it is heterogeneous, like sand water, it is heterogeneous.
So means
Okay.
saturated solution is heterogeneous.
If it is saturated, yes, then it is heterogeneous. Okay, because it does not dissolve. The property used in separating a mixture of two solids by winnowing is, Mohammed, this one, question 3. The property used in separating a mixture of two solids by
Ma'am, we have to
winnowing.
write this.
Don't write, just practice. Yeah, tell me.
Difference in size.
Size
Ma'am,
may
see
be
difference in
winnowing
size.
means you are using wind, na?
Ma'am, by weight.
By weight. So lighter goes
Difference in weight.
and heavier falls down. So it is difference in weight, not by size. Size may you use sieving. Difference in size may you use sieving, right? What is this? Question number this, fourth one, Rashda. Process of settling down of particles of a solid in a liquid is?
Ma'am, ma'am, my internet was gone. Can
Sediment.
you go on the backslide? I'll take a screenshot. Then
Backslide, we didn't do. This is the first slide we are doing.
no, ma'am, the definition. Actually, my internet went. You go 1 minute. I'll take a screenshot.
Ma'am,
and then
it's sedimentation.
I'll take
Ma'am,
a
the answer is
screenshot.
sedimentation.
Correct. Answer is this one we have already done, Ibrahim, yesterday.
Not ma'am, this no ma'am, definition.
We have done it, na? Abhi kuch bhi nahi kiya hai. Wait. हाँ,
No
बोलो.
ma'am, saturated ka definition. A saturated solution contains the maximum.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Take a
ma'am,
screen-
1 minute. I'll take a screenshot.
Done?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this answer is sedimentation, process of settling down of particles of solid in a liquid is sedimentation. Okay. Now this question we are going to do, which method is used to obtain a pure liquid from a solution? So answer is distillation. We have not done it yet, so I'm giving you the answer. Next question. Can you
Distillation, there is evaporation. Now we do evaporation in distillation.
in evaporation, see, evaporation, you
water.
get salt. You get salt. You have to obtain liquid, pure liquid. Evaporation is also correct, but in usually for distillation, distilled water, you remember distilled water. So distillation, if we get pure liquid. Evaporation may not necessarily you will get pure liquid. It can have dissolved minerals and all. Okay, because only salt will be evaporated, right? Abdullah, do you understand? Only salt gets evaporated. If other things are there, it will not get evaporated. So distillation may you get pure water. Okay, question number 6. If it is asked pure, to use distillation. If pure nahi hai, to you can say evaporation. But evaporation is not over here. Okay, इसलिए option में दिया नहीं है. Okay, the temperature.
Ma'am, in
of
question number 6, we can't see. It's very small.
I'm reading. Listen to me. The temperature of a saturated solution of sugar in water is raised by 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, listen. Temperature of a saturated solution of sugar in water is raised by 10 degrees Celsius. Which of these statement is now true? Now listen to the statement. It will continue to be saturated. You are heating it to 10 degree. Okay. It will continue to be saturated. It is true or not?
It's not
Yes,
true.
Amna? It is not true. Okay. It will become unsaturated.
True.
It is. So second one is the correct answer. Okay. Whether it remains. Okay, no. Third one also it will. Let us see. Whether it remains saturated or becomes unsaturated depends on the amount of water taken. So this is false.
Yes, ma'am.
No, this is false. It will continue to be saturated, but if the temperature is increased beyond 10 degree, it will become unsaturated. So answer is it will become unsaturated. Okay, because when you are heating something,
Ma'am, if something is like something needs more heat to be unsaturated, and so how do you know if this if some you put the question like it is raised by 10 Celsius, then like, but it needs heating up to 20 Celsius. So if we do,
Even if you small,
it will become
even if you
unsaturated.
I
So
understand, even if you give small amount of heat, because of little heat also the sugar starts dissolving. So small amount of sugar will start dissolving. You can add that amount of sugar, so it is still unsaturated now. It becomes unsaturated when you heat it, okay, because there is some vacancy of more sugar to be added in it to get it dissolved, okay. Which of the following can dissolve in water? Yeah, you answer. Which of the following can dissolve in water?
Ma'am, dissolve in water. Ma'am, C, solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes, correct. All three phases can dissolve in water. Okay.
How can gas get dissolved in water?
I told you now,
there is
oxygen is not
oxygen in
water
water.
water.
Oxygen is there in water.
Okay. Then when soda water and all those things, you have carbon dioxide in it. Bubbles are there, so it is gas dissolved in water.
Ma'am, can I do question number 8?
Okay, tell. Sedimentation. Give me the answer. Sedimentation and decantation are useful to separate what? Go through the options. A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, C1.
Insoluble solid from
Insoluble solid from liquid.
No, ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
D1.
it is T1.
D1.
Yes, it is D1. Solid should be heavier, then only it will settle down in
D1,
sedimentation.
ma'am. It's D.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is D.
Or
To
it will
get,
float.
to get only the pure solid from its solution in water, which method will you use? So this is again distillation. No, pure solid. This is ulta. This is evaporation.
Evaporation.
Yes, this is evaporation. To get the pure solid from its solution in water, which method will you use? So evaporation, say water will go vaporize and you are left with the pure solid. Okay. So to get pure solid, it is evaporation. To get pure liquid, it is distillation. Is it clear, Abdullah? Where do we use distillation and where do we use evaporation? Okay, so this was just a recap of what we have done till now. Now coming to filtration, now sedimentation and decantation. In sedimentation and decantation, you saw that whenever the solute is insoluble in the liquid, we use sedimentation and decantation. Okay, same condition is used in filtration also. Only difference is that when you are pouring, like in decantation, we were pouring it. So when you are pouring, we pour it through a funnel with a filter paper in it. Okay, now what is a filter paper? Filter paper has got small holes in it. Now what happens? You can see the diagram, next diagram. It has got small holes in it so that the solute particles will not go through this filter paper. It will get stuck on this filter paper, and only the water, because water particles are smaller, it will move down, or liquid. Whatever liquid is there, it will move down and you get the liquid over here and the solute is there on the filter paper. So this is called as residue or the filtrate. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to tell something after a
Yes.
bit.
But what if the if the sugar is dissolved in the water? So when we use the filter paper,
No.
the sugar.
Filtration is used only when the solute is insoluble. Do you understand? We don't use sedimentation, decantation when the solute is soluble. When the solute is insoluble, then only we use filtration method. Only difference between decantation and filtration is, in decantation we don't use a filter paper. So that is why there is probability of getting a mixed water in this container. But when you use a filter paper through a funnel, whatever impurity you are pouring it over here, whatever impurity is there, it will be stuck in this filter paper, because filter paper has got minute small holes. So only the water will pass through holes, and the residue or whatever impurity is there, it will remain in the filter paper, and you are getting this water over here.
Ma'am, when we make when my mom makes beetroot juice now, then the all that, like, what do we say, when we grind it full and then make the juice, so when that, like, the solid, the chunks stay now, then we use the strainer, then we press the chunks now, then from that also the juice comes out.
Okay, but you're not using filter paper over here, otherwise all the juice particles will also remain stick in it. Okay, you will only get the liquid part of the juice. Okay, so filter paper is used to remove the impurity which is
Ma'am, can you show a picture of filter paper? We can't see.
I'll show you. Filter paper will be, it is just like a paper, white color ka paper hota hai, and how do we
You put it on the tap sometime, right? On the dish, like sink taps.
Yeah, the null taps.
You put it filter paper.
Yeah, from that the shower.
Oh, that is shower now. That is shower. That is not filter paper. Filter paper is made. This is, see how we make filter paper. ऐसा गोल round लिया, just make it semicircle, फिर 3 parts में, and make it a cone. Make it a cone and put it in the funnel. You know what is a funnel? Put it in the funnel and then you pour the impure water or liquid in it. You will see that this ये blue color का है ना, this impurity.
We need to do a hole in the cone, ma'am.
No, you don't need to do a hole, because ये liquid will go down on its own. You get a small minute hole रहेगा ही. Filter paper has got very small holes. Okay, so
ma'am, this is a filter paper, the first A picture.
Ma'am, but the sand is also very small, so it will pass with the water.
No,
Ma'am, this is a filter paper.
Filter paper में नहीं pass होगा. Yes, this is a paper.
Oh.
You have seen blotting paper and all those things. तो उसी तरीके का filter paper भी होता है.
Ma'am, it's there for coffee pods we use now sometimes.
हाँ, right. Coffee pods के लिए we use. Okay.
In coffee machines, ma'am. In coffee machine, making machine.
Correct. So you can see that ये बड़ा करके बनाया हुआ है. We have made this bigger and shown कि ये filter paper होता है double layer. So whatever, see this red color का जो है, this is impurity, and the small green liquid है. So liquid falls down through it and this impurity gets stuck in the filter paper. So when you open the paper after removing it from the funnel, you will see that all the impurity is there on the filter paper and liquid goes down in the container. Okay. So
Ma'am,
this
we can
process,
use the filter paper more than one time, ma'am.
no, you cannot use it. You have to
And
remove
filter
it.
paper is expensive.
I no idea, but it is not expensive. It is paper only, type of paper only.
Where do we get it, ma'am?
You will get anywhere. कोई भी shop पे पूछ लेना. You get filter paper, blotting paper. These things you get now. So now this is a condition where do we use filtration method? It is used to separate insoluble solid from a liquid. So solid should be insoluble. That is why it gets stuck over here. अगर salt
Ma'am, we have
water
to
डाल,
write that, ma'am. It is
नहीं,
insoluble.
I'll tell you what to write. Okay? You will write, but what to write, I'll tell you. First, understand this. So you have a funnel with the filter paper in it, so that now whatever is stuck over here is called as filtrate. Filtrate is this. Okay, this is called as residue. Let me show you. Now this is called as filtrate, and whatever is stuck over here is called as residue. Okay, residue means
Ma'am, you told impurities, then what is residue?
impurities को ही residue बोलते हैं. Residue means जो बचा हुआ है उसको that is called as residue. Okay, so we and this is called as filtrate. It is written filtrate. Residue comes on the filter paper. This is filter paper traps solid. Solid is called as residue. Okay, filter paper के ऊपर solid is there, it is residue. Mixture of, you are putting, now this diagram is important of filtration. Write down the topic filtration, then you write down filtration is used. Write down, okay, wait. Write down that statement, previous slide ka statement. First, everyone write down the topic filtration.
It comes in methods of separating mixtures, right?
Yes, we are doing methods of separating mixture only. How many we have done? So write down filtration is used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. Okay. Filtration is used to separate and in, I'll underline it. Write down the topic. Filtration. And filtration is used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. Why I'm giving you notes? Because during the exam, you can study through the notes and understand, okay? Because you don't have a detailed textbook. Written, everyone?
No, ma'am, we are writing.
Just a moment.
Ma'am, you raised.
Just wrote now, filtration is a technique. Now
Oh,
that
ma'am, we
is
didn't
com-
No,
write.
ma'am, we did not write. We just started.
okay, you just started. Write down this. Only one line. Separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. Okay.
Separate.
How many methods we have done? Hand picking,
Four,
threshing,
ma'am.
winnowing,
Winnowing and sieving.
No, after that sedimentation, decantation, sedimentation and decantation together. Okay, and then filtration. This is sixth one.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Done?
have to write a liquid only, right?
Yes, still liquid only. Now write. It is the now.
Wait,
you
ma'am,
write.
I didn't write it.
Okay, write this one first. It is the mechanical or physical operation which is used for mechanical wise. Sometimes machines are also used. Okay.
Ma'am, can you underline and erase the before underlines?
You have to write it is, because you have written in first statement, you have written now filtration. So
Ma'am, we have
it
to
is,
write filtration. It is mechanical or
no. Just start from it is the, because you have written filtration in the first
Okay.
line. So it is the mechanical or physical operation which is used for the separation of solid from fluids, liquid or gases, okay, by interposing a medium through which only fluid can pass, means liquid can pass. You write liquid instead of fluid, you can write liquid. Because we are doing only about liquid, solid and liquid. So
Ma'am, which notes you are giving in the exam, the filling the blanks of this can come, right?
or what is filtration, when is filtration used, okay.
Yeah, means question answers like.
Draw the diagram of filtration, or when you are given sand and
Ma'am,
water.
we did not make the diagram.
I'll show you the diagram. First you write down. Example also you can write, using a coffee filter to separate the coffee flavor from the coffee beans. This example you can write example of sand water.
Ma'am, we have to write liquids or gases.
No, you write instead of fluid, you can write only liquid, because for now you are just doing liquid only. So instead of fluid is actually liquid and gas together is called as fluid.
Ma'am, till where we have to write?
Then,
We have
ma'am,
to write
after
till
that,
fluid can pass.
From liquid, then we will write by interposing directly from there.
Correct. By interposing a
Ma'am,
medium.
Ma'am, means we don't have to write fluid on, we have to write liquid.
Correct. Write down only liquid, okay? Just write down
from
liquid.
liquids by interposing, right?
A medium may you just write down filter.
By
Okay, medium के bracket में filter. Medium is actually filter paper or filter, through which only liquid
ma'am,
can.
what is interposing, ma'am?
Interposing means putting it over. Like I'm interposing. I'm putting a filter paper on it. Okay.
So,
You
ma'am,
can write
instead of medium, we need to write filter paper.
नहीं medium के bracket में filter you write. Interposing अगर if it is difficult you can write using you can write. ठीक है. If you find interposing difficult you can write using also.
Ma'am, we need to write only till filter, or we need to write
Which
filter
only
through.
liquid can pass.
Okay, ma'am.
interposing a medium in bracket filter.
Ma'am, you have to write example.
Write down an example using a coffee filter to separate the coffee flavor from the coffee beans. Another example, separate sand from water. Separate sand from sand water. These are examples I am writing. You can write any one example, but remember other example, kabhi 2 examples are asked. So
Ma'am, I'll write separate sand from sand water.
because it is easy, na?
Yes, ma'am. We have to write only one.
Yes, anything you can write, anyone. Now I'll show you a diagram. Take a screenshot, everyone, and draw it at home. That will be your homework. Okay.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
filtration diagram.
Ma'am, show a nice one which like we can draw. Not the color one. It should be simple, ma'am.
You have to draw these things in
On which diagram?
filtration diagram. Have you done? Have you completed this writing
Yes,
part?
ma'am. Done,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to write two example or only one is okay?
Only one is okay.
Only one is okay. If you want to write, you can write.
Ma'am, we have to write this. Oh no.
This one you write. This one, first one. Okay.
I did not understand, ma'am. This one.
Okay. This one, though, I have to.
Which one we have to do
Ma'am,
it?
this one is
Yellow
very easy one, ma'am. This one is very easy. The last
Ma'am, it's very easy, ma'am. That one only will draw, ma'am.
Ma'am, very easy, ma'am.
You can draw this one or the first diagram also. You can draw. Which one? Let me show.
This one.
Not this one.
No,
This one
not
also
that
you
one,
can draw.
ma'am. The before one.
This
No.
one is also easy. You can draw this one also.
Then after that, ma'am, show the after that with
That one is a
which
different question. यहाँ पे this is a mixture. Okay, this is a mixture. Draw
Now,
this one
ma'am, we
also.
should take a screenshot.
Take a screenshot or draw it right now. Then we'll take a screenshot. Okay. This is a beaker. In this is called as filtrate. Whatever comes down is filtrate. Okay. This is a filter paper. This is a funnel, and this is a mixture which you are pouring on it.
ma'am, show the after it. Show after it. Means
Ma'am, this
after-
only we have to draw. And ma'am, what is
Ah.
this, ma'am? I did not understand. What is this? This
What?
one. This stick and this rod.
This is called as stand. This is called as stand. This is a stand to hold because that will not stand on its own. This is a stand. Stand to
Okay.
hold this funnel. Okay. Otherwise, you will have to hold it with your hand. So this is a stand.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You can see this.
Ma'am, I
kept on
took a
the stand
picture
only.
because in computer I take a screenshot.
Okay, you want
and
to
then
see the next picture?
I don't know
also?
where it is saved. That's why I took a picture.
You can see the next picture also.
ma'am, this one I was telling.
So this is also same. You can see a stand is kept over here. A beaker is there. Mixture falling down over here.
This one, no, the before one.
That is
Before
not a diagram,
Diagram
Yasna.
of filtration. This is just to show you that how filter paper how the impurities get stuck. So this is the impurity stuck in filter paper, and this is a liquid falling down, which is called as filtrate.
Ma'am, diagram is important in exam.
Science diagrams are asked. Okay.
Acha, ma'am, to show the
Carry
first
how many marks, ma'am?
slide, I will take a screenshot.
Which diagram you want to take screenshot? This one?
No. Yes, this one. Wait.
This one everyone has completed. So complete the filtration diagram. Okay.
Oh.
This one you will be getting everything in recording, so you will get. So you can take. You can copy from there also. This is how to make filter paper. This is another example. See, now if you have salt, sand, and water ka mixture, how will you separate salt, sand, and water? So this is a mixture. So you will use filtration. So what do you get over here? Because salt is soluble in water, so in filter paper you will just get, what do we get in salt?
And sand. Sand,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how come filter paper is like this shape and how does the water is going over here, ma'am?
अरे I told you ना, filter paper को cone बनाना है, cone बना के funnel पे डालना है, so it will
But
be
ma'am,
in this.
this is not a cone.
It is a cone. Two dimension में triangle दिखता है cone. Okay. Funnel को देखो and then see it in 2 dimension, it will be a cone. So यहाँ पे you have, यहाँ पे residue में you have sand over here, sand gets stuck, and here what do we have? Sand, salt and water.
Salty
right?
water.
Salty water, and salty water can be separated either by
By
distillation
evaporation.
or by evaporation. Yes.
Ma'am, salt got dissolved before only.
Yes, so that is why salt will not get
Ma'am,
separated.
do we have to draw this diagram or the other one?
No, this is just how do we separate salt, sand, and water. Filtration
Ma'am,
Diagram.
can I
diagram.
make this
Actual one.
diagram, ma'am?
Huh? Yeah.
Can I make this diagram?
Why do you want to make this diagram? You can make this diagram also, but no stand and nothing is there. So this funnel is standing in air. You can see? ठीक है? So
Ma'am,
make
it's okay,
that.
I will make this only because I took the photo of
Make
this
it only, but don't write salt in it. Okay, just sand and water.
Okay.
Write sand and water.
Okay.
Don't make salt in it. Okay, so that you separate sand and water by filtration. Okay, so that will be all. Draw the filtration ka diagram and
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
See you after
Bye, ma'am.
vacation.
Thank you.
ma'am.
After vacation.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
See you
See you
after
after vacation.
vacation. Bye, ma'am.
guys in a hurry to